Hi everyone, it's Sophie here and thank you very much for joining me for this video today. Now I would say we've made nearly 100 videos on the Crossdressing lifestyle channel about a wide range of subjects, interviews, product reviews, outs and abouts, but I think this is probably one of the hardest videos I'm going to have to make, and it's going to be one of the shortest as well. It's a very good and positive announcement, but I'm finding it quite difficult to get the words in the right order. It's to do with the fact that this little button that's down below, it's called Join. Join. Right, what does that really mean? Well, it means to us that we've been granted the permission by YouTube to start a membership scheme, and that makes me feel both joyous and a little bit apprehensive, if I'm honest, because the first thing that comes to my mind when I see a membership scheme, it means that, oh no, that means I've got to be paying for content. And I want to say the resounding no, that is not what we're doing on this channel. Everything that we produce will go up onto YouTube and it will be totally and utterly free, and it will always be that way for as long as I have anything to do with this channel. Because our objective is to get positive information and assistance out all about cross-dressing and the community which we all live in. So that is a promise from me, and it will never ever change. But what the community tab has allowed us to do, or the join the community and the membership scheme has allowed us to do, is to give the opportunity for good folks out there that wish to contribute in some way financially to our channel for it to develop further than we are at the moment. We have lots of plans to do lots of interviews and lots of fine things in the future, and we want to build a community. We use this word community a lot on this channel. It's because we want to give things back, but we also want to connect people together. That's one of my aims in life, is to put the right people together to enhance everybody's life, pass information on and communicate. So to us, the opportunity to set up a membership scheme, it was great, and we've taken it and we're going to try and run with it as much as we can, giving you the absolute maximum for the minimum, if that makes sense. Because when we're setting the scheme up, it does suggest various prices for various bits and pieces. We've taken the lowest possible, so I think it's something like about £1.99 a month that you can opt in and opt out of. But the important thing is, what do you get for that extra, that $1.99 or $2.99 a month, or however much it is these days? Well, there's lots of little bonusy sort of things if you do join. One of them is that you will get your own range of emojis, you will get your own range of badges, and there will be a members only tab on the community area of the website where we, or I, or members of the team here, will be communicating with the members specifically, maybe sharing insights about what's happening within the next couple of months, what projects we'll be working on, getting feedbacks directly from you, and building a closer, stronger relationship, and allowing you to really form, focus and develop this channel the way that you want it to develop, not just me and the rest of the team here, because the success going forward for our channel is really, really dependent on you, not us, because we need your input. And this is a great way of doing it, because we found through our research that if you're a member of the Crossdressing Lifestyle YouTube channel, you're passionate about it, you want to see it grow, you want the information, and you're the people that we need to listen to be able to get better, bigger, stronger, and get, you know, a voice behind our community, if that's the right way of putting it. But I do want to emphasise that if you don't join, it's not a problem. We're still going to be doing that great content that we produced so far. Well, I think it's great, but there again, I'm biased because I'm in most of it. And we hope to, over the next couple of months, to do a few more collaborations with people, and this is what's allowing us to do it. Your support is invaluable to our existence and our development. So I wanted to share that with you, but I found it quite difficult to talk about, because I always believe that once people have a membership involved, there becomes a hierarchy. That's not our intention. It's really to give you the opportunity to be able to give something back if you wish to do so and support the community. So I'm going to leave it there. Hopefully one or two of you will press the button and it will work in favour, but the big dream is to get to a big number of subscribers. We would love to get to 100,000. That's, you know, that's going to be virtually impossible, I'm sure, but it will give us a voice, it will give us a platform, all of us a platform, to hopefully get a stronger message out there that we exist and we're good people, and actually we're quite a fun group of people to be around. So thank you very much for listening to my burble. I hope I made that not too cloudy an issue for you. I feel slightly uncomfortable about it because it's self-proclamation. It's something I don't like doing. I don't like talking particularly too much about myself. I'm more interested in you lovely people out there. So thank you very much for listening to that, and as always, take care and stay gorgeous, but we're going to be around for a long time, so thanks very much. Bye.